Hey guys, how's everyone? So last time I have showed you one 5 rupees UNC coin which I had recently unboxed and I uploaded the video in my YouTube channel. And after that lots of people asked me that how they can buy from Mint, because in my some previous video I have shown that I have purchased some coin from directly from Mint, Mumbai Mint, Calcutta Mint or Hyderabad Mint. So many people have asked me that how this is possible for them, what is the procedure, how to select the coin quantity, or how they can pay via Mint site. So I'll show you in my next screen that how you can do it so easily. Actually, this is very simple to buy from Mint. I will suggest you, if you want to buy some UNC coin, proof set, or any kind of gold or silver coin, you should directly approach to Mint website rather than buying from local dealer. Sometimes their price is reasonable, but most of the time there is high premium. So I would like to tell you that you should avoid that and you should buy directly from Mint, and I will show you in my next screen that how you can do that so easily. So my name is Antam and Numismatics Hub is my channel. Do like and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get more videos update daily. So check it guys in my next screen. So guys, this is the interface of Mint's website, and you can see uh, this is their home page, and you can see the press mint and this coin mint. The name is mentioned. As we know, we have four mint like Mumbai Mint, Kolkata Mint, Hyderabad Mint, and Noida. And this press where our currency note is minting, this currency note press, Nashik, this is Dewas, Hyderabad, Hosangabad, and Indian Security Press Nasik. You can see there some currency paper mill is in this location. So when this is the portion, you can see all the sellable coins listing here. So you need to click to buy now to buy any kind of coin whichever you like to buy. And this is another one where you can see separately like Indian government mint Mumbai, Indian Calcutta mint, government mint Calcutta, Indian government mint Hyderabad, and the respective coins is minted there. Sometimes the same coin is minting in both mint, like we know this coin is minted in Hyderabad and Calcutta also. So like this you can buy. So first you need to create a free user account. I have already created my user account as I am buying for last 4 5 years from Mint. I have also purchased the first 500 rupees coin of Indo Africa Forum Summit, which already I have shown in my video. I will give a link there in my description, and you can check also in upside of this video, right top corner. So the thing is, you need to first create an user ID. This is the basic to purchase any coin from Mint and give your proper home address. And also there is some new features for login that user don't have to register in separate Mints now. This is the new feature they have started, and one user ID will work for all Mints. You can know. So Mintwise login concept has been removed from the website. So I registered very long time ago. I had two ID or two separate ID for logging into two different kind of mint, Mumbai Mint, Calcutta Mint. But now in with any login ID, I can log into Mumbai Mint or Hyderabad Mint or Calcutta Mint or Noida Mint. So this is their new way of working. Just a single email ID will help you to log in each and every site. So suppose you want to buy, let me check, like I have recently purchased this coin. Okay, that in my previous video I have already shown the unboxing. So what I did is I just click in buy now button. If you clicked on buy now, if you are not logged in, then there will be login page. So I have already logged in. So you can see in top right corner like this there is logout option. Otherwise it won't happen. So they write this is the UNC price, so you will get one UNC coin, and this is advanced booking in process. So UNC quantity, you need to put how much quantity. Like sometimes we took 5, some businessmen, some dealers, they purchase a lot of coin directly from mint, which I have already told you why you should not buy from them, because they are selling in high premium. So suppose this coin is 350 and they purchase like 10 quantity here, and after 6 months they will sell it in higher premium. So what is happening, like mint allow you to book some particular coin for a certain period of time. So what will happen, if the booking is open in January 2020, it will be open for 6 months, like till June, and then they will close the booking. And in that time of booking period, like they have got 700 pieces of this coins order, so they only mint 700 pieces. So if you like this coin after 1 year or 2 year, you can't purchase it from mint. There is a booking period for every coin, and this is generally 4 months to 6 months. So you have to order in that this time of period, and after the booking closing date to another 6 months you will get the coin. So some people don't like to wait, so they give high premium and they purchase from other dealer or some other sources. But I have no issue in hurry, so I do wait for like 6 months, 7 months, and then I got my coin in my home address in the actual price. So if some dealer bought it for 10 pieces he bought, so he will pay like 3500 plus some shipping or handling charges, and after 1 or 2 year he will sell it like in 600, so he will get high premium. Some coins got rare, then they will sell it on 1000. So I always tell collectors or newcomers that you should buy from directly mint. It's easy, anyone can buy, you just need to create a free account. So suppose I put there one and I add to cart, I click on it. One thing you can check, like uh, suppose okay, another I buy, now I click, it's already added in the cart. So here is some theme description what this coin is about. Some small description about the incident or about the person is mentioned here, you can check it. And product specification, there is something is in the coin folder, I have already showed you. So sometimes it is already there also, it is there also, but not now, I don't know why. So I just put it, okay, again I put one, maybe it will be getting two, then I add to cart, or I can directly click on view cart. So you can see the product quantity is 1 and product price is 350. This is UNC, and you have to click here, I slash we have read and agreed the purchase term and condition, then you need to press this checkout button. So in the next screen, so this is my address and this is the order details, and here you need to put your mobile number, email address, personal billing information. This is your name will be there, and there is the order detail. And here you can see credit card, debit card, net banking, UPI, lots of option is there. You can see WhatsApp Pay, Google Pay, Bhim, Paytm, Phone Pay, any kind of mode you can purchase. Previously it was like we can only use HDFC Bank, I can remember, means 2 3 years ago they only accept HDFC credit or debit card like this, but now they have opened all the options. So you need to select like Paytm or anything, your Paytm ID or UPI ID, then there will be some 10 or 15 rupees extra, maybe in sometimes for tax. And then if you click on make payment, in next screen it will come like your OTP that will be in your mobile, and you need to put it there and just confirm it. That's it, this is so much simple. So from next time just try to purchase from mint. Like I have also, if you click, this is the all events set, old events set, old mint set, proof set is there. So I want to share one more thing, like I have purchased one 550 rupees coin, this one you can see 550 Prakash Purabha. I can show you this, see how beautiful it is. This coin will look in your hand like this. If you buy event set, it will be glossy. If you buy proof set, it will be more shiny, mirror finished. And this you can see, this is 550th Prakash Purab of Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji. So I also like to tell you one thing. If you click on view details, then it is coming like this, advanced booking process. So I have told you already that every coin has a particular booking time period. So this coin is no coins currently available for sale. The booking period of this coin has already been ended. So the proof price you can see 2600 for proof quantity, and UNC price is 2374. So very little amount. But I would suggest, try to acquire or collect that odd denomination coin. Like you can buy 100 rupees coin, 200, but most of the coins is in 100 rupees, 200 rupees. It's common. Like, although it's not common, but it's common. Like, so what is the uncommon? Like 500 rupees coin, like 1000 rupees coin, like 550. Not every coin will get, or not every incident got like this. Like 75 rupees is a good coin, Netaji. I would suggest, if you want to buy, I would suggest to buy this coin to any of newcomers. 75th years of first flag hoisting. This very beautiful coin, and I would suggest you should buy this coin. You should buy this coin. This is very great design. And one thing, if you buy from Mumbai Mint any even say proof set coin, you will get to see M mint mark. This is mint mark. I will do one video on mint mark because that's a huge chapter. There is lots of mint, so it will take more time. So M for Mumbai Mint. So this coin is released from Mumbai, and as a proof set you will get that M for mint mark. So that coin I would suggest, that to a 75 rupees coin. 550 rupees coin which I got. 100 rupees coin is so common. Lots of coin, like you see, you can check here every person or incident, they're like 350 rupees. This is also some this coin is good because 150 birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. And this is also 100 rupees coin, 150. Also, this UNC set with small 5 rupees or 10 rupees coin is good for collection. Like their price is very low. Like you see, the 10 rupees coin is 390 rupees and 5 rupees coin is 350 rupees. So I would also say the newcomer whose budget is not as much high as this price. So you guys can go for this kind of coin. Like I have also 4 5 coin of this 5 rupees UNC sets. Currently I have showed you this one unboxing in my previous video, you can check. And so this is the way you can see that each mint is, you can navigate to some Calcutta mint, which is specifically Calcutta mint, and you can check here that this mentioned Bharat Sarkar Taxal Calcutta. So, and also if you navigate to Mumbai, you can see Indian government in Mumbai. You can navigate to Hyderabad, then same thing mentioned here, Hyderabad. So you try to navigate in this website. I will give in my description. This is actually spmcil.com main mint website, and there is, you can get all the SPMCIL units, like see Mumbai Mint, Hyderabad Mint, Noida Mint. There is currency note press mint also from Nasik, bank note press, Indian security press where security thread is minted. Like this different kind of, there is some paper mill, printing press. So this is very interesting. You can navigate to this website, and this is very interesting. Lots of coin. You will get interested um, to this hobby, and this is nice to collect our heritage, to protect our heritage, to buy some coin which have some historic value. So I would suggest directly buy from mint. It's good. And I already mentioned that you need to wait for about 6 months from closing date of booking to another 6 months to get that coin in your home address directly. So for today, I think this is enough. If you have any query, any confusion, you can directly write in my comment box, YouTube channel comment box of this video, and I will surely help you. I will give my WhatsApp number also there, but please one request, don't call in that number because I am already busy with my work. So just ping me drop me a message. I will surely get back to you. And this is it. And also I have said you, like, you just need to one login ID for any of the mint. So this is the way you can buy coins from mint, and I am still waiting for this beautiful coin of Guru Nanak, this one. So this is it for today. See you guys in my next video. Mostly I will make video in mint. This will take much time because I need to collect all the data. So till then, see you. Bye bye guys, take care.